Welcome to Tobit FS. We will make trading simple to every trader around the world. And shortly, we are going to be discussing on the different analysis on the market, and we want to look at what are the things that we can definitely look at and watch out to trade this week. And this video is just for analysis sake, and every entry we are going to be taking is based on your own sentimental analysis. We are just giving a guide on what you should watch out and what you should be looking out for. That is exactly what we are doing here. So far, so good. Let's dive into the market right now. Let's dive into the market right now. Let me quickly share my screen. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen right away. So I believe everybody can see my screen clearly. I believe everybody can see my screen clearly. Drop in the comment section if you can see my screen clearly. If you can see what I'm doing, drop it in the comment section. And let's go right away. So now we are going to be looking at different charts. Please, we are very sorry. This is our first time of analyzing using YouTube Live. So any error, anything that you are seeing here is based on the beginner stage. And if there is anything you want us to upgrade on, you can always tell us. So we are going to be starting with EuroCard first. We are going to be starting with EuroCard. And looking at EuroCard, uh, let's see what the market have for us on EuroCard. This is EuroCard. The last time I discussed with my followers, I told them I'm expecting EuroCard to come to this price, which is 1.50, and I'm expecting the market to sell from there. As we all know that when we are analyzing peer, we analyze based on the trend, and as we can see clearly, we can see that the market is clearly on a upward direction on this euro card, and for that reason we are going to be looking for where we can look for opportunity to buy. And in the process of looking for opportunity to buy, we are also going to be looking for where we can also look for a sell opportunity. And that was the reason why in market maker footprint, we look for buy opportunity and we look for sell opportunity anytime it comes up. So once it comes up, we give it out to people. Now, from based on this particular euro card we are seeing here, we can see that the market gave us a strong momentum. It pushed also to the top, and from this stage, they gave us a good sell opportunity. If we go to our lower time frame, if you don't know how to make entry, go and watch some of our videos on YouTube. We have prepared for you. You will see entry opportunity there. Presently, as we speak, I'm expecting a buy opportunity as this, which is at the price of 1.5050. I'll be looking for buy opportunity here. So make sure you look for your buy opportunity. And what are the things criteria you can look at? You can always look at divergence on 15 minutes time frame. And when you see divergence, look for the man that created the last momentum. Once it break, once it break, once it break, you wait for the market to pull back to the top and retest. That is exactly what we are going to be doing this morning. So look for buy opportunity here at the price of 1.5050 region. Look for buy opportunity there. And also, if they fail to give us a buy opportunity there, that means the market can exit down to this region, which is 1.4950 for a further push downward. So far, so good. I'll be looking for buy opportunity at 1.550 price or 1.4950 price. So that is my decision on Euro card. And also, let's go straight to the next pair on our list, Euro JPY. Euro JPY. And if there is anything that you want me to analyze on, you can drop it in the comment section. If there is anything you want me to analyze on, you can drop it in the comment section. Let's see so that we can do that. Okay, thank you so much, Victor Ofo and As the River. Thank you so much, Mr. Julius. Thank you so much. Tell us where you are joining from, and let's continue. Now, based on this Euro JPY, we can see that Euro JPY, the last time I did analysis, I'm expecting Euro JPY to sell from this region, which they definitely came to. And if you look at Euro JPY, it has been a strongly on a sell momentum, very strong sell momentum. And as it has been on sell momentum, we will look for more of sell opportunity than looking for more of buy opportunity in the market because we work with momentum. Now, looking at this market, we can see clearly that the market came to the region where we are expecting them to come to 1.6100. 1.6100. From 1.6100, we are looking for a good sell opportunity, which the market has given to us there. And like I told you earlier, make sure you know your entry pattern. We are just giving a signal based on the entry opportunity you can see, not what to trade. So you can see it and then use your own sentiments to look at if it's good for you to trade or not. So we are not responsible for any of your losses. Make sure that you follow your proper good sentiment analysis. I mean sentimental analysis. So far so good. On this Euro JPY, we are expecting a massive drop, and our TP1 is going to be at the region of 15800. Then we are expecting TP2 to be at 15600. So far so good. That is our decision. And as they are dropping this market, if perhaps there is any opportunity for buy continuation, that means the market will come to 15800. From 15800, you can still look for another if they are going to give us a buy opportunity. And if they are going to be giving us buy opportunity, there will be a very strong divergence there on 15 minutes. Look for the man of interest that push the market downward and let them break. And for example, let me just give you an example here right now. Looking at this region, when this market was coming down and the market came here, it gave us a divergence. I'm going to show you entry opportunity. When it gave us this divergence, then there is a man that created this low, which is this is the last buy that created this massive sell. We give it a will allow the market to break it. Once they break it, they let them come back and test, and they came back to test it here, right? They came back to test it here. And from this place, we'll pick our buy, put our stop loss at this low, and wait for the market to hit the region whereby we'll be expecting that they are getting to. That means the recent low, the recent lower high that they created, that those one will be our region of TP. This is TP1, TP2 here, TP3 here, TP4. So those are the region whereby we should always look for. So I'm just giving based on example. You can do that on 15 minutes. Always use your 15 minutes for entry sake. So far so good. Let's continue. Euro JPY, I'll be looking for sell opportunities. That's what I'm expecting, and that is what is playing out. And I'm expecting my TP1 to get to the price of 15800. That's where I'm expecting my TP1. Also, let's look at Chef JPY. Also on Chef JPY, the same thing on all JPY pairs. I'm expecting a sell opportunity on all JPY pairs. You can see we have already marked it. So for JPY, I'll be expecting my TP to hit the price of 166.50. 166.50, that is where I'm expecting the TP to get to. And if there's going to be a continuation of a buy upward, if there's going to be opportunity for a continuation on buy, let's look at where we can see that great opportunity. we can see the opportunity here at these two regions. That will be at 16800 or at the price of 16700. Those are the two regions whereby we can take our first TP 16800 or 16700, and from those two regions let us carefully observe if there's going to be a turnaround for a continuation on a buy opportunity. If you look at 1 hour time frame, we can see that 1 hour is showing us a push to the upward side, but don't be disturbed. Make sure you use 4 hours time frame to look at the direction of your market perfectly well, which we can see, and the market has given us opportunity for sell momentum. So our TP1 is going to be at 16800 and TP2 is going to be at 16700 and TP3 will be 16650. So that's my decision. And let's look at GBP CHF. Let's look at GBP CHF. On GBP CHF, we can see clearly that the market started a very strong push down, and right now they are giving us a very strong push up right now, which we can see a very strong momentum creating. They created it. So now if we are going to be doing anything based on this, I can see clearly that this market, I can see it clearly that he has come to this market maker footprint region, which is stopping from. And for me to continue this buy opportunity, I'll be expecting my buy opportunity to play out at this price, at the price of 1.1250. 1.1250, that's where I'll be looking for my buy opportunity. So at this region, I'll be looking for my buy opportunity at 1.1250. That's where I'll be looking for my buy opportunity. And if they don't give me a very good quality buy there, that means you should be expecting the market to still move further to 1.1150. So we can look for a good buy opportunity at those regions. So if there's any question, you can drop it in the comment section, and if there's anything you want me to analyze on, you can always drop it in the comment section. So thank you so much for every one of you joining the link. So let's continue. Right now, we want to analyze GBP JPY. On GBP JPY, we want to also see what is playing out on every other JPY peers. Let me sound this thing to every one of us clearly that anytime you are analyzing JPY peers, anything that happened on CHF JPY, on GBP JPY is also the same thing that will play out on Euro JPY. It's only once in a while that they go against each other. So meaning that they are a good correlation pair, that if you analyze this, you definitely know that this is what is going to be playing out on the other currency pair. Now, looking at the market here, the last time we met, we gave us ourselves a good quality buy, which it gave us a good massive profit. And presently, we want to also look at where should we engage ourselves. As we can see a momentum created here, strong momentum still push to the top, strong momentum still push to the top, which is showing us that the buyers are coming in. But if you look at it very well, who is the master of this game presently? We can see that the seller are strongly pushing this market downward. They push this market to this direction, to this region, and from here the market retraced and they still came, they couldn't break that region, meaning that it seems that the buyer are silently coming into the market. But like you all know that in market maker footprint, we analyze both buy and sell opportunity so that when you see one, you pick it, and mostly always base your strength on the momentum, the current momentum. And as we can see right now, we can see that the market is still pushing to the top side. So where is the place whereby we should be waiting for the market to come and give us opportunity to look for buy opportunity? Look for buy opportunity at the price of 189.00, 189.00, or at the price of 187.00. So that means 18900 and 18700 are the good region for us to look for a buy opportunity. So for this sell that is dropping, Our TP is going to be at 18900, then TP2 will be at 18700. Those are the two regions that we should be expecting our TP, and look for if there's going to be any buy opportunity when they get to 189 and also when they get to 187 price. That is my decision on GBP JPY. Also, let's look at GBP AUD, what is going on GBP AUD. On GBP AUD, let's look at where is the direction of the market going to on GBP AUD. On GBP AUD, we can see that this market is pushing on a upward momentum. And in as much as pushing on an upward momentum, the question is, where should we look for a good quality buy opportunity? We are going to be looking for a buy opportunity at this region where we can definitely see the market maker footprint here. So I'm expecting them to come to 1.9450 to look for a good buy opportunity. And if they fail to give us a buy opportunity there, that means I'll be expecting the price to test this region, which is 1.9350, 1.9350, both 1.9350 and 1.9450 or 1.9440. Those are the three regions whereby we should be looking for a good quality buy opportunity. So look for buy opportunity at that region. For many of you that didn't see this opportunity here, for many of you that didn't see the opportunity, the market is already far gone, so you can't do anything. Just wait for the market to get to this region. If we break this region, that means we should wait for the market to get to this price. You can look for any opportunity for buy here, or you look for your buy opportunity at 1.9350 or 1.9400 or 1.9450. Those are the prices whereby we should be looking for our buy opportunity. Also, AUD-CHF, let's look at AUD-CHF. On AUD-CHF, we can see that the market has been pushing and be pushing and be pushing and be pushing. And the question is, where should we look for a good, nice opportunity to enter this buy that is pushing up? The good place to look for buy opportunity is wait for the price to come to the region of 0.5770. 0.5770. That is where I will be looking for opportunity to still continue with this buy momentum that is playing out. I'm still believing that there should still be a buy in this market, because we can see in one first push up, we can see the second push to the top. So I'm expecting the third push to the top, and before they do that, they will make sure that they will pull back to a retest. So it can be your retest can be at the price of 0.5770 or 0.5720 before they will continue their buy momentum. So far so good on this AUD-CHF. If I'm going to be selling, I will sell to the point of 0.5770 or to the price of 0.5720 or 0.5700. Those are the prices that if I'm going to be selling, I'll be selling to those regions. And those places that I mark out for you are the places of, number one, your TP, and also places of looking for buy opportunity. Because if we currently look at what is playing out presently, we can see that the momentum is showing up on a buyer side. The momentum is showing up on the buyer side, which means that I will look for more of buy opportunity. So it means I'll be looking for buy opportunity at 0.5770 or 0.5720. Those are the region whereby I'll be looking for my buy opportunity. Let's look at Euro AUD also. Let's look at Euro AUD also. On Euro AUD, we can see that the market is pushing downward. He has given us the first momentum. He gave us the second momentum. So I was expecting the third momentum to play out. This is the market maker footprint where I expect the market to come to, and the price came there to 430 instead of 1.6450 that I'm expecting, but it only rejected it at this place. But if you go to lower time frame, let's do, for example, let me use this as an example. If you go to lower time frame, on time frame, when they came to that region, you will clearly see that there is a divergence. that is playing out there. Looking at it here, you can see that the price created a good high, but looking at your indicator here, the price is creating an equal high there. Is creating equal high, which is a divergence. Then who is the man that pushed this market to the top here? The last man that created this high. This is the man here. Then wait for the price to break it. Let the price break it. The price break that region and they came back to retest inside. And from that region, you can pick your sell opportunity from that place, then put your stop loss above this region. So the moment I see this engulfing bar, I'll just place my stop loss above, then stretch my market to the first market maker footprint I can see here, which is here. We are already running in 106 profits. So you can see how I do get my entry opportunity. That is how I do get my entry opportunity. But like I said, this is not a signal channel. We are just giving ourselves the things that can happen and that can change the direction of the market, and where are the places. Those are where we are pointing out, and you can always use your own discretion, your own sentimental analysis to look for your own either buy opportunity or sell opportunity. So far so good. That is my decision on Euro AUD. I'm expecting Euro AUD to push further, and they have come to our TP1. So I'm still expecting them to come to 1.6200. I'm still expecting them to push to 1.6200. But however, at this region where they are right now, let's see if there's going to be a buy opportunity there, because they are at market maker footprint. Let's look if there's going to be a buy opportunity. Maybe that will be an opportunity that we can all watch out for, based on the market, that the market has given us a good push. So presently, there is no divergence playing out here. So far, so good, meaning that there is still more opportunity that the market will push to the down. Because somebody might be out there thinking that, how will I know if this place is a good buy, or how will I know that they are still going to press further? One of the ways to know that they are still going to press further is when they come to this market maker footprint region. If there is no divergence there, meaning that they still want to push further. That is what it literally means. If there's going to be anything, the same way they created a divergence in this box that you can see clearly here, the same way they will create it when they get to where they wanted to make a U-turn. But let me tell you, like I said, seeing divergence is not enough in choosing or in assuring yourself that this market wants to turn. That is why you need to apply your own sentimental analysis in this game. So far, so good. I'm still expecting Euro AUD to come to 1.6200. I'm still expecting to come to 1.6200. Maybe for 1.6200, there will be a very clear divergence, or maybe later in the afternoon, they might give us a clear divergence here that they want to push to the top. And if they are going to be pushing to the top, your first TP will be at the price of 1.6400. Your second TP is going to be at the price of 1.6600. So far, so good. That is my decision on Euro AUD. Let's look at AUD USD. Let's look at AUD USD. What is playing out on AUD USD? On AUD USD, we can see clearly that AUD USD is giving us a momentum to the top, still pushing upward. And in as much as pushing upward, we are going to be focusing our attention on more of buy opportunity. And if I'm going to be looking for any buy opportunity right now, I'll be expecting this market to come to this region. I'll be expecting the market to come to the price of 0.6750. That is where I can see a very good opportunity at to look for my buy opportunity. You can always look for your buy opportunity at 0.6750. You can look for your buy opportunity at that region. And if they are not giving it to you at that region, expect a buy opportunity at the price of 0.6700. That's another region we can look for buy opportunity. For so far, so good. Right now, I'm expecting a pullback on AUD USD to the price of 0.6750 or the price of 0.6700. That is where I'll be looking for my buy opportunity. But I'm very sure focus more of your attention at 0.6750 and 0.6700. 4100 to look for your own sentimental in buying the market. And if there is no divergence at those regions, know that they still want to push downward to another level. That is my decision on AUD USD. Also on USD JPY, what do we have on USD JPY? On USD JPY, I analyzed that I'm expecting a sell opportunity here, which they gave us here, but later they stomp on, they break it, and they came back to test this market maker footprint region. This is where I would have expected them to get to if they still want to continue. But however, they never got to that place, they keep on dropping down. Now the question is, as they are selling from this region, where should I look for my first TP? Where should I look for my first TP as they are selling? If I were to be you, I'll be looking for my first TP at the price of E0 point, sorry, 141.00. 141.00. That is where I'll be looking for my buy opportunity on this USD JPY. USD JPY, I'm still expecting more of push downward. I'm still expecting more of sell opportunity on this USD JPY down to the price of 14100. However, there are other hidden market maker footprint we can see here also, which I will not blind my eyes to based on 1 hour time frame. I'm very sure I don't need to go there. There's going to be a market maker footprint around this region where the price around this place, which is at the price of 14200. You can also look for your buy opportunity there. So far, so good. Expect the price to retrace to 14200 or 14100 to look for your buy opportunity. Also, let's look at Euro USD. Let's look at what is happening on Euro USD. On Euro USD, the last time we analyzed that we should be expecting a sell opportunity at this region, and expecting sell opportunity from this region will help us to get a good opportunity. And look at it, they gave us a good sell momentum and they keep on pushing down. And they have come to our market maker footprint region. Let's go straight to 15 minutes time frame if there's going to be any opportunity for us to trade there. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame if there's going to be any opportunity. Looking at 15 minutes time frame, presently I have not seen a divergence. Wait to see a divergence around this market maker footprint. So let's go back straight to 4 hours time frame. So the thing that I'm going to be leaving us with is that look for a good opportunity around this price 1.1080. 1.1080. Look for buy opportunity, and if there's no good buy opportunity there, then know that they will come down to 1.1020. 1.1020. Those are the two regions whereby I'm still expecting us to look for a good buy opportunity. So meaning that if they destroy this region, I'm still expecting them to come to this region of 1.1020 to look for a buy opportunity. But however, with what I am seeing on my screen, I believe that this Euro USD might try to create a pullback from this region back to the top. So who knows? I am not the owner of the market. Remember, we are in a reactive market. Anything can happen. They can break it and come to this region or decide to just push back to the top. So far, so good. That is my decision on Euro USD. Euro USD, I'll be looking for buy opportunity at this region. Remember, on AUD USD, I gave us a price whereby I'm expecting them to come to continue the buy opportunity, and which is also what I'm seeing here. I am seeing a buy opportunity here also at this region. So let's look at NZD USD. On this NZD USD, we can see clearly that the market it has gotten to a market maker footprint which they rejected there, and they are coming down, and we can see clearly that the market is pushing on a upward direction. And for this market to be pushing on an upward direction, what it literally means that let's look for buy opportunity region. If I'm going to be looking for buy opportunity region, I'll be looking at this region here for my buy opportunity. I'll be looking for my buy opportunity around this region that I'm marking out. I'll be looking for my buy opportunity there. which is at the price of 0.6150. That is where I'm going to be looking for buy opportunity. And if they fail to give it to me there, that means I'm expecting them to come to 0.66. Those are the two regions whereby I'll be looking for my buy opportunity. I'll be looking for one here, and I'll also be looking for another one here. So far, so good. Those are the two regions whereby I'll be looking for continuation for buy, because we are still much on a buy trend. So far, so good. AUD USD still look for more of buy opportunity at 0.6150 or at 0.6066 price. And also, let's look at USD CAD. On USD CAD also, we can see clearly on USD CAD that USD CAD has been on a downward direction for a very long time, and it is just creating a pullback here right now. We know that this pullback might turn to a very strong momentum that they will continue upward. But for me, if I'm going to be doing anything, I'll just be expecting a pullback back to the price of a 1.3624, 1.3630, sorry, 1.3630. I'll be expecting a pullback back to that region. That's what I'll be expecting. Expect it like this, then look for more of good sell opportunity on USD CAD. That is what I am expecting on USD CAD. Still expect more of sell opportunity. You can see that AUD USD is telling us that more of buy is still coming. Euro USD is still telling more of buy. NZD USD is still telling more of more buy. And USD CAD is now showing us sell, meaning that the dollar is still going to be weak. So that is exactly what I am seeing clearly here. Let's go ahead to GBP USD. GBP USD. On GBP USD, we can see clearly that GBP USD is also showing a momentum to the upward direction. And I'll be looking for a good quality buy opportunity. I'll be looking for it at the price of 1.3130. 1.3130. That's where I'll be looking for my buy opportunity on GBP USD, meaning that expect GBP USD to still drop more to the price of 1.3130 or to the price of 1.30. At those two regions is where I'll be looking for my buy opportunity. Also, let's look at USD CHF. Let's look at USD CHF. On USD CHF, I'm still going to be expecting more of sell opportunity. But before I will expect sell opportunity, I will rather first of all look at this region here, where they have been testing for a very long time. If I'm going to be looking for sell opportunity, I will look for it at 0.8550 or at 0.8650. Those are the two regions where I'll be looking for my sell opportunity. And if I'm going to be selling, I'll be selling to the price of 0.8350. That is my decision. Also on BTC, on this BTC, I told us the last time we discussed, I said I'm expecting BTC to still continue pushing upward. And if there is going to be a continuation, they will come back to this market maker footprint to test it, which they definitely came to test and push to the top. So if I'm still going to be looking for a buy opportunity, I'm still going to be looking for a buy opportunity at this region also. I'll be expecting price to come to that region to continue looking for buy, which is I'm expecting price to come to 62,700. I don't know why. 62,700. Sorry, 62,500. That is what I'll be looking at to look for buy opportunity, 62,500. Now, lastly, let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. Let's go to for gold. Now, looking at gold presently right now, it is clearly that gold is still on a bullish momentum. And if gold is on a bullish momentum, I'm still expecting more of buy opportunity on gold. And if I'm going to be expecting more of buy opportunity on gold, I would love to use 1 hour time frame to look for that opportunity. And I'm going to be giving us a buy opportunity on gold at the price of 2,610 or 2,600. 604 2,610 or 2,604. Those are the region whereby I'll be looking for buy opportunity on gold. So far, so good. That is my decision on gold. And let me show you more reason why I said I'll be looking for buy opportunity on gold. Looking at this market just give us a very good push to the top, which is the first push. They gave us another push to the top, which is the second push. So I'm expecting the third push to play out around this region, which is at the price of 2,605 to go upward. So far, so good. I'm still expecting more of buy opportunity on gold, which is what I think should play out. So far, so good. You remember that you are in a reactive market. Everything Tobit FS just said right now is based on my own analysis. You can always use your sentimental analysis to look for opportunity at those regions whereby I mark out for us. So far, so good. I remain Oluwaseun Temitayo Olukayode Ogunekun, the chief coach of Tobit FS. If there's any question you want me to answer, you can drop it in the comment section. So let me go to comment section and see what we want to ask. So far, so good. Thank you so much, every one of us that joined this analysis. God bless you. Thank you for coming and remain blessed.